Hi friends, welcome back to another AutoCAD tutorial. First we need to draw this circle with a diameter of 88. I will be using the center radius option. Specify the center. My radius is 44. Hi friends, welcome back to another AutoCAD tutorial. First we need to draw this circle with a diameter of 88. I will be using the center radius option. Specify the center. My radius is 44. Enter. Next, we need to draw this outer circle with a radius of 55. Enter. See, it's right here. Now I need to draw these circular areas which are on the circumference of this large circle. So first I need to identify the position, so I could use X line, XL, enter. V for verticals, enter. I'm going to place it right on the middle of this circle. Then spacebar, H, enter. For horizontals. And again I'm going to place it on the center of this circle. Now I'm going to use circle to draw this large circle with a diameter of 226. Specify the center. My diameter is 113. Enter. Now I need to draw these circular areas. Again, I can go to circle. My radius is 20. Enter. And spacebar. Again, my radius is 26. Enter. Now I'm going to select these two circles. I'm going to type CO, which is the copy shortcut key, and press enter. I'm going to select the center as my base point. Now I'm going to place these on the circumference of this bigger circle, just like this. Right, you can turn the auto, or you can do it without your auto mode on. Then I need to draw these vertical lines with a distance of 20. I could go to offset command, and I'm going to offset these X lines with a distance of 10. Again, for the horizontal X lines. Now I need to do some trimming. Right, I need to delete these unwanted areas. I need to be extra careful with these inner circular parts. Let's carefully trim them down. Alright, we are almost halfway. Now I need to delete these middle lines so I could clear up the space. Now I'm going to draw the circle with a diameter of 128. Click the circle command. My diameter is 64. Enter. Now here you can see we have some small fillet along this circle. So I'm going to go to F for fillet, enter, R, enter. My fillet radius is 40, enter. I could use spacebar to activate my command again. And I'm going to do the fillet along this circular area, just like that. Again, I'm going to do some trimming. I could delete this arc shape. And continue trimming down. Good. Now I'm going to delete these two arc shapes as well. Next, again, I could do some trimming around the middle of this drawing. Now I'm going to use line command. I'm going to create inclined lines which are tangents to these circular sections. I'm going to do this manually by simply clicking on the tangent, but if you want, once you selected the line command, you can hold the shift key and right click, and under that menu select the tangent option and get that easily done. But in my case, I'm going to use the grip edit and find the tangent manually, just like this. Now I'm going to mirror this line to the other side. I'm going to give my mirror line like that. No. Then I'm done almost. I need to delete this circular area and we are done. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and joining our YouTube community. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode.